Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today with a grocery haul. And specifically, this is going to be a getting back on track grocery haul. I'm sure I've done these in the past because I've been off track before, but I haven't been off track this bad in quite some time. This is a 2020 get back on track. Quarantine knocked me off. And then my dad got sick and passed, and I tell you, I just sat there and ate sugar icing straight off the cake. So I am getting back on track, and I've done a very healthy grocery haul. And I got them in yesterday, so they're already, out of the sacks, but I'm just going to jump right into this, and I will tell you what I'm going to be having to get back on track. And I will start with the dairy. I ordered unsweet coconut milk. This is just a great filler. It is good calcium, very low calorie. It's 40 calories, 1 gram of carb, and it's a good filler. Like I'm having it right now because it's 2 in the afternoon and I haven't eaten yet. So I'm having a glass of this to kind of help me get through until I can eat something. Okay, then I also ordered some half and half, and I use this for my coffee now instead of my beloved Coffee Mate. I love Coffee Mate, but with all the preservatives, I'm trying to be better. So I just put a little bit of half and half in all my coffee now. Okay, then I have started buying kefir milk, and this is kind of like drinking unsweet yogurt. I get this in just plain and unsweetened, and it literally tastes like a thin Greek yogurt is what this tastes like. And it's just a real good probiotic. So I will get about half a cup of this a day, sometimes more like a cup or a cup and a half. So I either do that or take a probiotic. And I will tell y'all, I think my gut over the last couple of years has gotten so much healthier because of probiotics, apple cider vinegar. I eat cherry tomatoes all the time. I'll just go into that. Cherry tomatoes. I got about 5 of these. I have tons more back there. I eat these, and I'm not that fond of cherry tomatoes, but I eat these for gut acid because I realized about a year ago when I eat cherry tomatoes, I don't have allergies. And when I start having allergies, I come and I grab more. Hold on. I can grab more of these. I keep these out on my counter, and I just grab a little handful in the morning, a little bit through the day, and the worse my allergies are, the more I eat of these. And I think my gut has gotten so much healthier with tomatoes and probiotics. I also had a wine allergy that's gone. I can have wine occasionally now, and I don't have allergy attacks anymore. So I think my gut's getting healthier. Okay, next I picked up some Atkins Bars, and I use these for emergencies. I would rather eat healthy, whole food, but this morning I had this because I want to get a couple of videos done today. So I grabbed some Atkins Bars. I had this morning the chocolate covered almonds, but the ones I picked up yesterday are the coconut, and I love the caramel nut chew bar, and I let myself run out of it. So I'm going to have to do another pickup and get those. I love keeping the Atkins Bars, just that is very low carb, and then a glass of milk. This will hold me over for a couple of hours until I can get a good meal. So those are really crucial for me to have around. Okay, then I always keep apples around when I'm trying to do good. Now I am healthy carb. I'm not keto. I'm not particularly low carb. I do about 100 carbs a day probably, and I can do apples fine. They don't bloat me, they don't set off my appetite. I have an apple usually most days, and I can tell you I ordered 10 pounds of Honey Crisp. They are crisp and sweet and tart. They're delicious. And I ordered 5 pounds of Fuji's. So I have apples galore. And my favorite way to eat those is salted, cut up and salted, and then with peanut butter. And I picked up some Jif. This is the smooth, but I also have the crunchy, and that's really my favorite. But I have plenty of the crunchy. So I got some smooth, and so I just cut my apple up, salt it, and eat it with peanut butter. Mary Ellen told me about doing that, and it is delicious. I don't know why, but it's like candy when you salt the apple. Okay, then I got some potatoes and sweet potatoes. And sweet potatoes are just really, really good for you. And then sometimes I crave a potato, and I'll eat half or a whole depending on how much carb I want. And I'll put down below my eating plan, you know, so I don't have to take time doing that here. But yeah, I'll put down below how many carbs and calories and everything I try to get per day. Another sweet potato. I got, you know, quite a few of those. I usually only eat about a half of that with any meal. Okay, then I got, y'all, tons. About 4 full grocery bags of riced cauliflower, and I eat this most days. And I love the Green Giant cauliflower medley, and that's got carrots and peas in it, and it is delicious. If you eat this with meat and like a sweet and sour sauce, it's literally like you're eating rice. It's so delicious. And I'm about to do a getting back on track vlog so you can see how I use all this. Okay, and then riced cauliflower, bird's eye savory herb. This is so good, y'all. I really like the flavor of that, and I usually eat a whole bag a sitting. Then I picked up some broccoli florets so that I can get some greens easy and just throw this in with my cauliflower. Okay, next I picked up about 5 of these Mesquite smoked turkey breasts. This is just regular smoked, but I like either. I like a smoked turkey, and I keep this around for an open-faced sandwich in the morning. That is my favorite breakfast, and I'll show you that on my vlog I'm about to do. But just a piece of gluten-free toast, and then either guacamole or cheese in this, and bread and butter pickles. It is delicious. I've been doing that for about a year. So good. Okay, then I picked up some Laughing Cow cheese. I like to use this when I'm doing my open-faced sandwich. I'm doing this lately because these are 50 calories. Yeah, 50 calories per serving, and they're little, you know, pre-measured pie-shaped cheeses, so I don't eat too much of it. And these are delicious and soft and spreadable. So I like keeping those around. I also like putting those into cauliflower. That's really good. Then I picked up Cool Whip because I'm trying to stay off the sugar. Y'all, my sugar was out of control. I was doing sherbet like crazy. I was bad. So I'm going back to coffee at night, and I'll put a little dollop, a little spoonful of Cool Whip for a nice treat. So picked up some Cool Whip. Okay, next I picked up tons of salad, just romaine salad, because when I'm in a hurry, I like to just throw a bunch of lettuce and hamburger meat with some Thousand Island or ranch. It's delicious. It's just a delicious, quick, easy meal, and just keep salads around to throw whatever I want on it and have a really fast meal. I also got some spinach, so I can throw that in there to add a little more vitamin to my plain lettuce. Okay, next I got a bunch of meat. I always pick up about 6 pounds of chicken. I keep chicken salad made up in the fridge. That is just great for quick dinners, snacks. It's just good protein to keep around. And I'll put all these recipes down below. I always get the tenders, so it's all white meat. I don't really care for dark meat, so I get all white meat, tenders, and then I just picked up a really big bag. I figured I could save a little bit of money on this, and I'll probably use this for chicken salad. I also use this chicken, the chicken tenders, for cheesy chicken, which I'll show in my vlog, and I'll put the recipe down below. It's delicious. My husband requested it for tonight. My whole family loves it, and it is just chicken. And then I also picked up the wisps that go on the cheesy chicken. And what these are cheese crisps, and so they really don't have any carb. 1 carb. And they're crispy, so I chop these up in the food processor, dip the chicken in egg and this, and it is so good. And for leftovers, put it in the microwave, and it makes it nice and melty and so good. I like to throw this on top of a salad or in my cauliflower with a little sweet sauce of some kind. Delicious. It's so good. I've talked about that in other videos. Okay, and then I picked up some other chips that I'll eat with meals. I picked up some Bonitos, and these are the sea salt, and I love those. And then the Milton's gluten-free crispy sea salt crackers. And these are really good, just with any recipe, like any casserole type thing I make, or Mexican mess, Or just with a salad, you know, dip these into the dressing of the salad. It's really good. Okay, so I got 2 full bags of the Milton's gluten-free crackers and the Cheese Whisps. Okay, then I also picked up about 3 of these Jennie-O turkeys, and I like the 85% lean. Any leaner and it's too dry. I love turkey patties, and I'll put those in that vlog. I just sear it with salt and pepper, get it really good and kind of crusty on the outside, and put that in the cauliflower or with salad. It's delicious. My husband likes it and I like it, so I keep a lot of this Jennie-O ground turkey around. Okay, and then I also picked up some eggs. I'm going to start trying to have more eggs in the morning. They're so good for you, and I think they have, hang on, collagen. I think eggs are a good source of collagen. So I'm going to start eating eggs on an open-faced sandwich in the morning and kind of cutting down on that processed meat so much, because I eat an open-faced sandwich every morning. That's a lot of processed meat. So I'm going to throw some eggs back into my diet. Okay, then I also got hamburger meat. I always keep 2 pounds cooked for what, you know, my husband can use it, I can use it in recipes, and it's just fast to throw on salads or in cauliflower. It's really good, kind of like a goulash. And so I always keep a ton of hamburger around. I think I ordered about 6 pounds of hamburger. Okay, then the breads that I ordered some grain-free tortillas, and these will be great with my eggs in the morning, or sandwich meat, you know, whatever I want to do. I had kind of gotten off of these, and I used to love these, so I'm excited to have those back. And then I got 2 different kinds of gluten-free bread, and I only eat my bread in the morning. I don't eat bread in the evening because of the carbs. I will eat crackers though, so, you know, I don't guess that really makes sense, but I eat it in the morning. And I got a loaf of just artisan baker multi-grain bread. And gluten-free bread is delicious if you toast it and put butter or cheese or, you know, whatever you're going to put on it. I love it. I can't really tell a difference. And then I also got the Ciabatta Rolls. And these are a little bit higher carb, but again, I eat them in the morning, so I don't really worry about that. So these are the kinds of breads that I'll eat in the morning. Okay, then I also picked up some mozzarella cheese. This is delicious to throw in that cauliflower. It almost gives it a pizza type of feel, like a crustless pizza type of feel. It's just melty and delicious. So just some mozzarella and some meat, throw that in there, and it is so good. And then I got 3 kinds of coffee. I just discovered a variety pack of my favorite decafs. This has Houston Blend, Texas Pecan, and Taste of San Antonio. These are all just delicious coffees, and they'll make it a treat with a little bit of Cool Whip and maybe some flavored Coffee Mate at night. And these are really delicious, and I loved this big box. Okay, and then I just got various kinds of Folgers. Keurig, for the Keurig, I got some Folgers and some decaf and regular to go in the regular coffee pot for in the morning. I usually make a half and half, like half caffeine, half not. So anyway, that is my getting back on track grocery haul. And again, I don't know that I've been this far off track in years, but I'm getting back on. And I started 2 days ago, and I'm already feeling so much better. So anyway, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.